All credit goes to the legendary Mr. Indian Hacker for these amazing tricks. Experiment 1. Relighting smoke. First up, take a candle and light it. Once it's burning nicely, place a glass over it to put out the flame. Now here comes the cool part. Take a matchstick and bring it close to the smoke trail. Boom! The candle lights up again without even touching the wick. Why? Because the smoke contains unburnt wax particles that are still flammable. It's like lighting fire with smoke. Watch it in slow motion. It looks like magic, but it's pure science. Experiment 2. Water rising into glass. Next, place a candle in a plate filled with water. Light the candle and then carefully cover it with a glass. As the flame goes out, you'll see something amazing. The water in the plate starts rising into the glass. This happens because the burning candle heats up the air inside the glass, and when the flame goes out, the air cools and contracts, creating a vacuum that pulls the water in. Looks like a magic trick, but it's all physics. Experiment 3. Spinning paper. Spiral. Take a piece of paper and cut it into a spiral shape, just like this. Hang it above a lit candle, safely of course, and watch what happens. The spiral starts spinning on its own. That's the heat from the candle rising and creating an upward air current, enough to set the paper spinning like a windmill. Experiment 4. Candle propeller. Here's the final one, and it's epic. Take a candle and poke a hole through the middle. Slide a stick through it and balance it between two glasses. Now light both ends of the candle and wait for it. The candle starts spinning in circles all by itself. The heat from the two flames melts the wax unevenly, causing imbalance, and that's what creates the rotation. It's like a homemade physics toy, powered by fire. If you enjoyed these awesome candle experiments, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And once again, huge shout out to Mr. Indian Hacker for these brilliant science experiments.